Today is Friday, the 27th of September, and we're fishing Larkson Beach. Right guys, I'm at Larkson Beach today. Look at this surf. I imagine you can hear the wind through the mic. Apparently we're getting 45 mile gusts. It's around about 30 mile per hour winds at the moment. Got to chuck out a big mackerel bait, about an inch past the head or so. Trying to be guts in there. Got my waders on. I'm only literally just wading out to the end of the groin there. I'm not going deep in this river. Just get a bit more distance. Hopefully you can hear me alright. Got to stick on my GoPro, hopefully that's working, and go a few chucks for about an hour or so and see if we can find a big bass. Okay, I was literally just knee deep a second ago, so that's how much the tide's coming up. I've got the microphone hidden right inside my coat here. I'm only out about 20 yards further in this, so it's quite difficult to get across. I've only got my heavy duty spinning rod, it's a bit easier to hold. Look at the height of that kite surf there. That's running about 20 metres up then. Yeah, I'm just going to hold out for about an hour or so and see if we can find any big fish. Hope you guys can see the weed there. It's all the big long stringy stuff. All these kite surfers have appeared out of nowhere. Lots of them. Some of them against the serious air. They're quite fun to watch. Might have to recast it out again. Okay, I thought I'd just show you the rig. Using an up and over rig. This is all the weed that's come in. But I've got about an 8-foot long hook length there. The idea is just to keep it away from all the main rig, just to keep away from the weeds. It's trying to be a weed on the mackerel head there, but I think it's doing the job. Just holding my line with a finger there. Quite difficult to tell if you're going to get any bites, so windy. Quite hard to judge where to stand as well. Because one minute you're not in water, the next minute you could be knee deep in water, so I'm just sort of staying put for now. It's just started raining as well, so it's not pleasant. My phone's not waterproof, so I can't really use it too much. And that's what I do all my filming on. But nice bit of surf going on. The tide's dropping away. About 3 hours time be low tide, so I thought it would be the best time to sort of fish to avoid the weed and the rain. But yeah, just long stringy bits of weed at the moment. Okay, I'm going to go for one last cast now. This colour of the sky up there is nasty. I've got to pick my daughter up for nursery in a bit as well. But yeah, still plenty of kite surfers out there. The wind's still blowing like crazy. I'm hoping the sound quality hasn't been too bad. But yeah, I'm going to wade out again and have one last cast. Fish it guys. Our wind's really picking up. I don't know, you can see I turned my phone round. So check out the water on the floor there, look how it's just flying. All this weed blowing up the line. God, struggling to stand in one place, the wind's picking up that strong. But it's blowing out a few cobwebs, trying to get rid of the cold. So yeah, it's all good. Okay guys, that's me done. Taking my stuff back in. I thought I'd just show you some features to look for when you're fishing, or bait fishing. It's always good to keep one rod close in. See where the stones meet the sand here. There's a bit of a gully. It holds all the fish and all your bait and stuff all on this gully here. So the fish patrol this area. And also, the other side of this groin, there's like a big gully going down the whole side. You see this? It's a big rock ball at the end there. So the fish patrol all down here as well, because all the scraps of all the little baits and worms all end up going down the side of the gullies and down the side of the groins. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.